Stop. Get off me. Haydi ya. Yes. Steven, where's the coffee? You didn't drink the last coffee, did you?
No.
It's fine. We're just gonna work out. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. New year, new me. Okay. Katie? What's up? Nothing. I'm just working out. Alright, maybe I need to turn the TV on real quick. New year, new me. Oh, Black Mirror. No. On Instagram? I'm going right now. Well, please? Alright, well, I'm almost done here. I'll call you in a little bit. Get healthy. Get my body right. Yes. Is that a Pop-Tart? I hope you guys enjoyed my little glow up skit. I want to say a huge thank you to OLAY for partnering with me to create this video. I love doing skits like this. You always have to remember that it's not all about makeup. It's also really important to take care of your skin. This is your body, your face, the inside out. That's what this whole skit was really about, just making sure you stay on your fitness, eating right. I just quickly wanted to chat about the OLAY products used in this video. This is the Cleansing Infusion Hydra Glow Body Wash. My favorite scent of the two scents is Deep Sea Kelp. Smells so good. It's like that fresh sea scent, but like clean. It smells like you're just hugging a sexy man. And I also used the OLAY Cleansing Infusion Hydra Glow Facial Cleanser in the video. This is specifically targeted to give you a glow. It helps improve your skin's radiance, therefore making it look more naturally glowy. There's a matching body wash for your face wash, and there's two scents. I shared with you my favorite scent. The other scent is Crushed Ginger and Citrus Extract. Also comes with the face wash and body wash. There's been times where like I make sure I'm all glowy and then, you know, the rest of my body looks all ashy, and we don't want that. Make sure you stay hydrated. All these products are available at Walgreens if you guys are interested in picking them up and trying them out. All right, I gotta put some makeup on. Just using a little foundation here. You know those mornings you just wake up and you're like, whoa, that's me today. I slept with my hair wet. Am I giving myself a tan right now? Did I get more pale overnight? Is that what's happening here? Something's happening. I think that's what's happening. So I'm just using a little Giorgio Armani foundation, 7.5. Wow, in these winter months, we just lose our tan. We're gonna get the skin right. It's all about the skin. Do you guys ever look back at pictures from high school and you just see yourself in that awkward phase where you're like, what was I thinking? And you look at pictures of yourself now and you're like, dang, you know, I really had a glow up. I do all the time. And then I wonder to myself, will I be looking back at pictures of myself now in the future and saying like, what was I thinking? Did you ever think about that? You never know. I used to do all of my makeup like a totally crazy smoky eye, and then I wouldn't add brows. My brows would just look like this with a smoky eye. Okay, somebody hand her a brow pencil. I think the one thing that I'm happy that I did was take care of my skin now. I use so many facial products, so many moisturizers, eye creams, everything. You have to. You have to. A little concealer. If you look tired, concealer always fixes that. At least most of the time. Little brow, just like all these little sparse areas. I like to use just a pencil when I want to do something quick. Out the door. I'm never really out the door though. It's like my face comes to life with brows. You just need them, they're very important. I feel like skin is just so important, skincare. Staying hydrated, because that's what's gonna keep your skin looking young, plump. I used to also, when I got out of the shower, I'll never forget, I used to take my towel and I'd rub it on my eyes to like dry my face, and my mom saw me one day and she's like, don't do that. You're gonna get older faster. I'm starting to see the signs of not listening to her. Next, highlight, Fuego. We're gonna add it everywhere. Tip of the nose. Do you guys have any glow up stories? Things that you look back on and you're like, wow, you know, I do this so much better now. I feel like kids nowadays don't even have awkward phases. 16-year-olds be out here looking better than a lot of people. Like they're down with the trends. They don't look 16. They like totally get to skip that awkward phase. And then of course, inner corner highlight. That's gonna brighten up the eyes if you're looking a little tired. Bronzer and blush, and we're pretty much done with the face makeup. Right under the highlight, give yourself a contrast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Blush is always good to make your skin look alive, fresh. I'm using Peaches here. I like to put a little across the nose too. I also like to take a little blush sometimes and just put it through the crease a little bit. I always find that lashes really pull the whole look together when you want to give yourself a little pick-me-up, especially when your eyes are tired, because I feel like it just opens them up. Boom. Lashes also low-key make you feel like you put in a lot more effort into your eye makeup, even if you didn't really wear eyeshadow. See that? It's like a lift. It's a lift. Now I like to go for more of a natural lip color, and this is NYX London. This is pretty close to my natural lip shade. Whew. That's it for the Glow Up Glam. Really quick, really easy, big difference from when I first started out this morning. Again, thank you OLAY, and thank you guys so much for watching and supporting this video. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Chancla scare, take 2. The fear of the chancla, take 3. Take 4. Fear of the chancla, take 4. 5, just kidding. You married to this? Want some of this? Wait till I get my glow up, baby. Oh!
I think this is the first time you ever used it.
I think so.
No, I used it already.
She's used it like
I've been using it.
She faked use it to show Chris.
Don't put that in the video.